What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm host Sway, and today we are going to be working on the ISR Front Camber Kit for the 300ZX. Yes, I got a set of wheels. They are right there. I'm keeping them covered because I want to get all of this suspension done before I go ahead and put them on. But in this video, we're going to be tackling the front camber kit for the 300ZX, which you do need if you want to run an aggressive setup. This isn't cheap. This ran me, I think, $200. It is pretty expensive. Not $200. Let me look up how much this actually cost me. This actually ran me $246. Oh shit. You guys can't see my hose. As you guys can see, yeah. This ran me $246 just for this. I have the 10 coilovers. I'm rubbing with these 19-inch wheels, so I had to buy some 18-inch wheels, and I had to get the rear camber kit, which is going to be in the following video. Let's open this up and see how these look. They are pretty heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and show you guys. Here they go. As you guys can see, it is both of them. It looks pretty cool. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car, get the front end up, and remove the wheel. So let's get to it. There we go. We removed the spacer that we had and also the wheel and tire. It's already jacked. I do have to put those stands over there under here, but apart from that, I think we are ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started attempting to remove the passenger side, and once I get all of that done, I'll come over to the driver's side and explain it a little bit more in detail of what I did. But you guys will probably mainly be seeing a time lapse because I don't want to spend too much time editing this because I'm having a lot of videos getting pumped out in a short amount of time. I'm gonna keep it short and simple, and if you guys are struggling in one part of this and you guys came to this video, this probably isn't the best video. I'll be back once I'm done installing the passenger side camber arm. So see you guys in a bit. Alright, so we got the driver's side done. Let me show you guys real quick. Well, the passenger side, I always confuse it. Here it goes. There it goes. Nice little ISR camber kit right there. We got this side done. Camera's trying to figure out. There it goes. And now we're just gonna go on to the next one. It was a little bit harder than I anticipated, mainly because I was just struggling removing the bracket. Apart from that, after I removed the bracket, the install was smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start on the passenger, not the passenger. Why do I keep confusing these? I'm gonna go ahead and start on the driver's side, and I'll put you guys on a time lapse, and I'm gonna let you guys watch that and watch me complete this one. Alright, so we got the driver's control camber arm done. There it goes. This one was a lot easier. You guys saw it on the time lapse. This one took me 30 minutes as opposed to the passenger side that took me about 2.5 hours. It's currently 1 a.m. I got it done. Today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday, and tomorrow morning I'm actually going to be doing the rear camber control arms, and you guys are going to see that in another video. This was just focusing on the front, and tomorrow you will see the rears. The reason I'm doing them separate is because they're different products and different brands, and the rear control camber arms are Godspeed, and these front camber control arms are ISR. So we'll see which one I prefer. I really don't think there's gonna be much of a difference. They're gonna serve their purpose, which is adjust the camber on the car. I don't think I'll be running into any issues of which one I prefer, which one I like more. I'll also show you guys how much I paid for the Godspeed camber control kit for the rear, and you guys will just see how those go installed as well. But I'm satisfied where I'm gonna leave it off today. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to get both done today. I started pretty late. I started at 8 o'clock, so that's pretty late, and I took a break and I came back to come and finish it. But I'm happy where I'm gonna leave it off tonight. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Please drop it down and like, subscribe if you haven't. Help us reach 40,000 subscribers. And remember, look for something positive in each day. Even if some days you have to look a little bit harder. Deuces.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got new grills and they all go. So I got that beef with the po-po. They don't like my style, no, no, no. I don't really give a damn, I keep steering, switch gears and the fans just